What's the meaning of cabin? Cabin. Cabin.
Cabin. Cabin. The word cabin refers to a small, simple dwelling typically made of wood and located in a rural or remote area. These structures can serve as temporary or permanent homes, and are often associated with activities such as hunting, fishing, and camping. They may be used for a variety of purposes, including as vacation homes, rental properties, or as part of a larger homestead. Cabins are prized for their rustic charm, bucolic settings, and the opportunity they offer to escape from the stresses and demands of modern life.